try to go kind of quick so this isn't super long, but I did pick up some fun Valentine items and a couple of other items as well. So it's not going to be in any particular order. I just want to share with you what I found. First, let me show you, these are non-Valentine items, but I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree before, and I think they are so cute. These are kind of like the bags that I would order off of Etsy and things like that, and they had them at Dollar Tree, and you get 20 per package. So these are like the party bags. So I got the stars, the little paint splatter, the chevron, and stripes, and I think these are so cute to package Happy Mail, to use for your craft fair, anything. So I picked up several packages and I plan on sharing with friends. Next was my awesome find, and I did show these on my Insta story, I think on Instagram, or either I put a post on Instagram, and I'll put my handle name here so you can go and follow me on Instagram. But I found these amazing American Crafts and Heidi Swapp stickers at Dollar Tree. So first of all, these are my favorite ones, and they're Christmas, but they've got all these Christmas phrases on here, and these are the American Crafts Christmas stickers. So I picked up several of those, and they have these Heidi Swapp ones as well. So I got 3 of the word ones, and then I got these really cute planner ones. Well, hold on, let me show you the different ones I got here. So these are the same, these are the same. So these are kind of like the trendy little sayings on them. You only live once, little smiley face, you rock, be amazing. So aren't these cute? Hashtag epic, I think it says, yeah. So I like these for planners and journals. And then I got these 2, kind of like birthday theme. And I just got one of the summer one, and this is by Pebbles. So that was a great find at the Dollar Tree, and I've been seeing people haul more, and it looks like there's more coming out in the store too, so I'm gonna go back and check it out. So I got some cute office items. I got the cute neon paper clips, the regular primary color paper clips. Sorry if you hear noise, my husband's being loud. Anyways, so I also got these cute, like kind of copper, rose gold colored paper clips, and they also come in like the binder clips, and these are more copper, and I think they're so pretty. And guess what they have at the Dollar Tree? I don't know if you guys have seen this, because I know they have their brand, but they right now have Scotch double-sided tape at Dollar Tree. So I stocked up because this is really good double-sided tape, and I'll tell you right now, the Dollar Tree double-sided tape is not good. It is not good. But we all know Scotch is good. So I got, how many, 6 rolls here, because at Staples, Walmart, Target, this was like $3.99 or at least $2.99. So I stocked up on this because it's super handy for so many things, especially for crafters, right? So then I found some washi tape. And I got this for Easter time because it looks like an Easter egg. I thought it was so pretty, so I got 4 rolls of that. And I'm gonna share with friends and probably do Easter kits and stuff, so I got 4 rolls. Love these. These are like wood magnets. They're wood slice magnets, and they are so adorable. This says dream big and never stop looking up. And they're just little cute magnets, and I love magnets. Then my sister talked me into getting this, but I thought it was a cute print, and it's a little messenger bag. You can throw over your shoulder. And I got a couple little beauty items because I don't really haul beauty stuff that often, but I just got these 3 items. I got an eyeliner, and I don't even know if this is like a good brand. I don't know. And then I got some Barbie pink, like that beautiful pink nail polish, and some LA Colors Rapid Dry top coat. So $1 each. I just decided to go ahead and get them. I've hauled these before and I absolutely love them. They're the bows, and you get 2 in each, and they're like the beautiful, colorful, silky bows. And so I got the purple and the green, and I also got pink, but I'll show it to you with the Valentine stuff when I get to it. So I used every single one that I hauled, I think last year or the year before. I used every single one on gifts and little gift baskets and things through the year. So I really, really love this item. And when they have them, I snatch them up because they go fast. And sometimes they don't get them restocked that fast. So some of this decorative shred, and I got this beautiful blue color. So pretty. It's like an ocean blue color. Again, I'm hauling these because I absolutely love them, and they're the best, one of the best premiums in the Dollar Tree. They're these paint palettes, and you have 6 of these little palettes in each package. I thought that was a great deal, and I use these with my nephews. So my mom and sisters and I get together and we like to do craft days, and we're thinking about doing some like painting. So I got 2 more packs of these. I also got these because I heard they're awesome from the Dollar Tree. 3 more just random items. I love Tic Tacs. I'm addicted to Tic Tacs. So I picked up a 3-pack here. And then I got this cute washi. I love stars. And I got this beautiful coral sticky note pad. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to be doing a project with something similar to this. So you guys can kind of go and get some of these at the Dollar Tree if you want to make that project with me. And now we're into the Valentine goodies. So just be ready because they have some cute, adorable Valentine things this year. So first off, I got this beautiful wood sign. I just think it's so pretty. So I'm going to decorate my house with this. I don't really do a lot of decorating for Valentine's Day, so this is plenty for me. So next are these candies, and these are delicious for one thing. For 2, I think these would be super, super cute to put in your loaded bags, your loaded envelopes, your happy mail, your pen pal mail, whatever. I just think these are classic and perfect for a little Valentine goodie. And they're the Sweetheart Conversation Hearts. So you get 4 for $1. Get some. Because I like using pink for Valentine's Day. I mean, red's fine too, but I totally love pink for Valentine's Day. So I got 2 of the decorative shreds in the pink color. And this is the really pretty pink. And then I also got 2 of these gorgeous pink ribbons. So these will make for some beautiful wrapped Valentine gifts. And again, you get 2 in each one. I thought these were adorable. So they have these containers that you can fill up goodies in. So I got 2 of them. And they have mugs that match this one too. I got the mug as well. And I'll show that to you in just a second. So here's this cute thing. It's just like a little container you can put goodies in. I'm planning on making some sugar cookies for Valentine's Day with like the royal icing. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill these up with the sugar cookies and give them as gifts. And let me show you the mug that goes. So here's the mug that goes with this, and it's so pretty. I love it. And guess what else they have? This is my absolute favorite mug ever from Dollar Tree. And it's this dream catcher one. And it says, "You're dreamy." And isn't it beautiful? So I picked up those 2 mugs and those 2 containers. So next I got this Hombre sheer ribbon. Can you see the ombre effect? It's absolutely beautiful. I've never seen such beautiful ribbon at the Dollar Tree ever. So I picked up 5 spools of this. And it's so pretty. Crafty things, crafty embellishments, I got 2 packages of the felt stickers because they're layered. They're adhesive, of course, and they have a gem on the top. So I got 2 of those, and these will be perfect for decorating your envelopes, your bags, your anything, cards. You can make cards with these, anything. Thought those were so cute. I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for. These are foam hearts. So you get pink, red, and purple, and you get 12 in here. So I'm not sure if I'm just going to use these to like kind of package happy mail or if I'm going to actually try to make something out of these. I got to do some thinking and see what I can do with those. I have a plan for these cute little sticky notes. So I got several. I got 5 of these, and you get a ton of paper in this. So I use these at work all the time. They're sticky, they're the long, kind of unique style, and I have a project coming up for these. And I also went ahead and picked up 2 of the neon pink, just the plain ones without the stripe. So Dollar Tree is great for things like this. Also, I want to show you the gift bags that I found because I'm going to be doing some altered bags and loaded bags here on my channel because that's one of my favorite things to do for Valentine's Day. So they have the beautiful Pepto-Bismol pink. That's what I call it. It's so pretty. They have red, and you get 3. Okay, so you get 2 with this size. With the little ones like this, my favorite size, you get 3. And they have the blush pink as well. And check it out, you guys. So those are those solid ones. They also have these gorgeous gift bags. So here's these 2 styles. And these could not be more beautiful. So there's this one and this one. And then you also get a second one. So there's 2 in each for $1. And wait for it because there's also the little ones. So I got those, these craft ones, and these. So these ones you get 3 per bag. And this is probably my favorite print right here. I think it's so adorable. Here's this one with the craft bags. And then of course the white ones with the gold and the pink. I really like that one too. So just imagine all the cuteness that you can make with these bags. My favorite bags, they had my favorite glossy frosted loop bags at Dollar Tree as well. And so I got this style, and let me find the other one. I got this style and this style, and these are so fun for craft fairs. Even though I'm not doing a Valentine craft fair, I figured I could like even fill this up with cookies and give it away. I'm gonna be making cookies, you guys. I'm so excited about this, and I hope that I can share lots of cookies this Valentine's Day. And you can even fill it up with little candies or treats or anything. So I think that these are super cute. I don't know why I have them turned sideways. There you go. I love the conversation hearts the most. This is one of my favorite items that I found at Dollar Tree, and they're these ballpoint pens. Look how adorable. I wish I would have gotten more. I think I might go back to see if they still have them. But I love throwing these in my little kits that I make. And these are just the cutest designs ever. Look. Aren't they cute? So you get 12 mini ballpoint pens with black ink for $1. I got the huge blush pink. This is the most beautiful pink I've ever seen. A huge red one and a huge white one. And then for the 6-inch ones, or I think these are like 8 inches, I got the white, the red, and the pink. And of course the small ones, these are the 6-inch ones I think. I got the white, the red, and the pink. So doilies are so fun to decorate things with. And on Valentine's Day, I always restock my doily stash. And I love to share these with friends. And actually, I gave a friend a bunch of my big ones around Christmas time, so I needed to restock. So those are super pretty. These are some of my favorite stickers ever from the Dollar Tree. And I got 4 packages of them. And these are the foam glittery stickers. And these are so fun to use and to share. So I got 4 packages of those. These table scatter, you guys. These you can glue down on projects. Just make sure you use like E6000 glue or super glue or something, because it really doesn't work well with hot glue in my experience. But these are 2 packages, 50 each of table scatter. So happy with that purchase. I got some Pom-Poms. These are really cute to use. And oh my goodness, so I went to Hobby Lobby, and this exact item was at Hobby Lobby for $4.99. I swear it's the exact same item. It's these felt hearts with the little die cut hearts all around, and you get different colors. Look, you get pink, white, and red. So I picked up 2 packages. You get 8 in each pack. And these are the cutest things ever. They're felt hearts. I got some straws, and these are so pretty. They're like pink and white. And I like making like the little wands out of these. And so those are perfect. And also they have these glittery hearts. And I like the size of these. They're a little smaller than the Target ones. And you get pink and red. And I got these Googly Eyes, and they're so cute. Googly Eyes, they have little pink hearts in them for the eyes. Aren't those adorable? I thought that would be so cute. And then I also got 3 more spools of ribbon, and these are the Valentine's Ribbon. It's so fun to shop at Dollar Tree and be able to get all these cute crafts to fill up, you know, your Happy Mail and to decorate your cards with and stuff. And I stocked up on these because I went crazy for these around Christmas time. They had like the bulb. They had like the light bulb Christmas light ones. And these are so cute. These are the LED heart lights. And they just run on a AA battery, or actually 2 AA batteries. And they could not be more adorable. So I picked up 6 packages because I'm planning something with these, and you guys will see that on my channel very soon. So I just went ahead and stocked up because these are the first things to go at my Dollar Tree, the LED light. And stocked up. And actually, yeah, I got 6 of them. I got these 2 cute, adorable Whack-A-Pack balloons, and these are for my nephews. They're so funny because I think you like punch them and then the balloon blows up or something. So I got these for my nephews to play with. 2 different packs. And then, of course, you gotta get some snacks, right? I got some Charms Mini Pops, and these are the Valentine. And I think they are, yeah, they're cherry flavored. So that's a really great deal. You get so many. You get 35 pops for $1. And then you guys, look in the party section where we got those other bags, because they have these paper bags. And so I got 3 of the really pretty pink color and 2 red. And so these can be made into albums. I might make like a real like mini album out of this because I'm so inspired by these beautiful bags. And I have some Valentine scrapbook paper that I want to use up. So check out or wait for that video. I might do that, or I might do something different with these cute bags. So the last 2 items I got were these Conversation Heart zip seal bags, and these are perfect for sending Happy Mail. And you can like pack your kids' snacks in their lunch with these. I think that's so cute. Or you can even fill these up with goodies in your little Valentine card with the candy for your kids' class. And then speaking of that, I went ahead and got 1 pack of Valentines just to kind of see. I wanted to get like a classic, like a Disney or something like that. This is, they didn't have many out when I went, but I'm going to go back and look because I like to add little kind of like retro throwback little Valentines on my Valentine project. So these were okay. They're the little Mickey ones, and they do come with a sucker. So I got that to try and incorporate into some of my projects. So you guys, that is my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I got so many cute Valentine goodies. I want to thank you so much for watching this haul, and I'm so excited to get started on projects with all this fun stuff that I found at Dollar Tree. I hope that you are finding some really pretty and fun Valentine crafts out there and making beautiful projects out of it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!